still out here like some real G's though, you know what I'm saying? We still out here though. Yeah, baby, we still out here. Even my dog scared, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, do you see that tree? Look at that. Look at that shit. Bro, this bitch right here. Look at that, bro. Look at that, bro. She done took the roof off the house and everything. Look at my car. I'm so glad I moved my little car. That shit would have been crushed. Bro, that bitch was not playing. I told you Laura did not come to play, boy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. She did not come to play, y'all. I knew that tornado hit over here yesterday. I was out here last night. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this shit way over there on the other neighborhood. On the other side of the hood. That shit is fucked up, bro. Bro, Baby's safe. Baby would have been right there. She would have been right there. And I would have been extra devastated because you already know. This is Laura. This is from Laura. Look at this. Baby Laura. Look at that. Big ass motherfucking. I was going to put my dog over here last night. Just in case he was going to sit outside if I was like, nah. Oh, shit. Hold up. Hey, nigga, I'm out here in my motherfucking drawers, boy. I just woke up. Jumped out here in my motherfucking drawers, nigga. Damn, this bitch. The roof. Oh, man, we got. Oh, yeah, she ain't playing. Look at this. Thank you, Laura Bo. Look at that, baby. Let me go take my dumb ass inside for more of this shit break. Look at that. Look at that shit. Bro, I told you the tornado hit right here last night, nigga. She done uprooted the tree. She done uprooted the tree. Come on, man. You can't tell me, bro. Can't tell me. Ezell! What is y'all doing? Ezell!
Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work. Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Yeah, counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work. Bag, crypto or cash, invest in yourself, I be doing the math. I'm not excited about doing the dash. Don't flex on these dudes cause I don't want they ass. Get me a bitch, that's a man's best friend. She just want kibble and she just want pets. She ain't tripping when it comes to the bet. Taking shots to the neck and the back. Help me stack, forex for the racks. Brand, cash flip, acrobat. Good with the tax. Turn the shelter to a gold mine and that's facts. Mark her own bag, create her own brand. Understand she can market this like I can't and
Go ahead, little mama, I know you flash for the dollars. Fan page, at least you honest. That body, always a product. Weekly, them tips in the thousands. I'm glad to be your accountant.
Like the way the pimp spit, put in my pocket this business. Like the way a pimp spit, put in my pocket this business. Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work. Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work. Fettuccine queso, brown face just trying to stack a peso. Cousin told me lay low, jealous people in your face, man, they fake, bro. I'm the truth and they know, if I have to drive by, they halo. Getting up out the car and put this little bit in stay mode. Haters think they fuego, but the fire turn to smoke when the K blow. You think I'm passing gas, tell little Rip you stink, bro. Picture on shirt, cold case closed. You can wipe his nose, don't say no. Rules still apply on my lane, stipulations slightly change, it's not what you think, bro. For the mask and the virus, I was supplying those in need and those that want it. Cannabis, ganja, weed, marijuana, black market, I might get it from the farmer. She talking her lineup, plant with the hope I'm a farmer. Dead wet, fluid embalming, put a soul with my body's in the closet. This a line for you jokes to get off with. You should really be quiet when I'm talking, might miss a little line from the bosses. March, I hate to drop a dime to the coffin. Heavenly Father, everybody, all man. Got a bag, got cane on both hands. Heavenly Father, everybody, all man. On cane, got a bag in both hands. Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work. Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work. Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work. Get you a bag, counting this money up, doing these features. I got to put in work. I got to put in work. Counting this money up, I get the bag, doing it really work.